Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for quite a while, but I'm here, I'm back. And also happy new year guys. Happy new year from myself, Leendo, at Leendo's Kitchen. You know, I'm so excited to be back, bringing you guys more recipes for cooking, for baking, you know. So yeah, welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you're seeing this for the first time, my name is Leendo and this is my playground. This is my favorite place in the house. I love being in the kitchen so much, and I'm looking forward to just sharing all the delicious recipes with you guys. So also, before we begin, please click on the subscribe button, the like, and also click the notification bell so that every time I post a new video you get notified, right? And then guys, today I'm going to be making spicy chicken livers for you guys, so please stay tuned on the remainder of, stay tuned to the video so that you can see every step of the way. I'm going to be taking you guys through the ingredients and also showing you guys all the steps that I'll be taking into making this delicious spicy chicken livers. And yeah, also as you can see, someone is baking. So that is why guys, I've not been around on my channel. You know, hey, baking comes with a lot of things, but yes, this is what's happening. So but yeah, now you know the secret is out, I guess. So yeah, we've got a little one coming on the way. Anyway, let us get right into the video guys, okay?
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's Kitchen. Leendo's Kitchen, I love you Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's Kitchen. Leendo's Kitchen, I love you Leendo, yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Alright besties, so right now I'm just gonna take you guys through the ingredients that we're gonna be using for our spicy chicken livers. So obviously I have my chicken livers over here and I have rinsed them, and if you need to take any other things out, you know how chicken livers are guys, so you can just remove them and rinse them. Make sure that they are cleaned thoroughly. And then I have like almost like a quarter to a half of green pepper. I just made it into small little strips. And then I also have the same amount of red pepper as well. I also cut it into strips. And then I have half an onion chopped finely. So yeah, that's about it. And then the spices, I have the mother-in-law spice. I really like the spice a lot. I bought it at Woolworths, but I mean you can use any spices that you prefer. I also have barbecue as well as garlic, crushed garlic, yeah, or you can use garlic flakes or you can use minced garlic, doesn't really matter. And of course cooking oil. And then I have some salt over here. And then I also have this sauce. I don't know how people pronounce. I always just say Worcester sauce, others say Worcestershire sauce, others say whatever. This one. And then also there is the peri-peri, Nando's peri-peri sauce. So you can also use whatever sauces that you prefer. So these are the ones that I prefer. And also you can add tomato, like grated tomato if you like. So basically, yeah, those are the ingredients that I'll be using to make my chicken livers. So let us get right into the video. Okay besties, so now basically I have my stove over here. I'm just gonna have it on. So obviously you need to have your oil hot. The stove is pretty hot, so just now it will be very hot. All right besties, so I'm just adding my onion. Oh, let me decrease it a bit. I'm adding my onion as well as the green pepper. And the red pepper. So I'm gonna let these fry for a bit up until the peppers are nice and soft, and the onion as well, because you want to eat like some raw kind of like onion. So right now I'm just going to keep on stirring and stirring until the onion and the peppers are nice and soft. In the meantime, I'm going to add my mother-in-law spice mix. So you can add like maybe half a teaspoon of it, because it's quite strong. So just add like half a teaspoon of it. And then I'm also going to add my crushed garlic. You can also use minced garlic or garlic flakes, it doesn't really matter, it's entirely up to you. And then I'm also adding my barbecue spice, so you can also put maybe like a teaspoon of the barbecue. Okay, and then just make sure that you mix everything together. Oh, the aroma, it smells so delicious, guys. Yo. Okay, so our onion is a bit soft now, as well as the peppers. So I'm going to add our chicken livers. I'm going to be adding our chicken livers over here. So just add them. Remember, I used 2 of the 250 grams of the chicken livers. That is like the normal size of the chicken livers. So yeah, right now I'm just going to be adding them. It smells so amazing, guys. Yo, it smells delicious. So right now I'm just going to close the chicken liver so that they cook and generate its own water, and then I'll check it maybe after about 5 to 10 minutes. You know, chicken livers don't take that long to cook, they cook relatively quickly. So I'm just gonna close the lid and then leave them to cook, generate its own like water with the steam, and then I'll come back and check it after about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, besties, so while the livers are cooking, you also need to just add your Worcester sauce or Worcestershire sauce. So I'm just quickly gonna be adding that right now. You don't have to add a lot of it, just a bit, you know. So yeah, our chicken livers are coming along pretty well so far. So far so good. And also you also don't even have to add the peppers. If you don't like the red and the green pepper, then you don't even have to add them. You can just use onion only. Also, if you don't like onion, you can just use the peppers only. So yeah, it's entirely up to you, really. So okay, I'm just gonna let it cook again for a while, and then I'll check it after some few minutes. Okay, besties, so let us check our livers. They've been now on the stove for about almost 10 minutes. So I'm just gonna quickly check them and see if everything is still going well. Oh, also you have to cook the livers on medium heat. Don't cook it on high heat, because then your livers are going to burn, right? So just cook it on medium heat. Ooh, smells amazing. It smells so amazing, you guys. Yo. Yeah, our livers, shame, they are coming along very well. Very well. I think I'm just gonna let them cook again for another, let's say for another 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna let them cook for another 5 minutes before I go in and add my sauces. But for now I'm going to add salt. So I'm just gonna add some salt, So with the salt, guys, you can add, like, actually it's dependent on you, like how much salt you use, you know. So, and I'm also adding my Italian herbs. So yeah, also with the Italian herbs, like if you don't have them, it's still fine. Like they are not a must, ne? They are not a must. And then I'm just gonna stir and then let it cook again for another 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna add our sauces and then we'll be done, guys. Chicken livers are that easy. They are that easy. Yo, Mara, it smells so delicious. Can't wait to eat already. Yo, hi guys. And also you can have your chicken livers with, like, other people, they have chicken livers like for starters. If you're in varsity, you can have it maybe with rice, or you can have it with bread, or you can even have it with pap. Like, chicken livers are so versatile, you guys. Yeah, so you can just have them with anything really, so it's entirely up to you. So but that's what I really like about chicken livers. You can even have them for breakfast, so they are very, very versatile, and I love that about chicken livers. Yo, they are amazing, you guys. So anyway, I'll check you guys after about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, besties, so the couple of minutes that I said we're gonna wait have passed now. So right now I'm just going to add my sauces and then we are pretty much done. So the sauce that I'm going to use is this Nando's peri peri sauce. So let me just give it a little shake. So I'm gonna add that. Oh, and tomato sauce as well. Let me just get it. And yeah, I'm also gonna be adding tomato sauce. So remember, we are making spicy chicken livers, so that's why I'm using this peri peri, the Nando's peri peri, ne? So I'm just gonna be adding it. It's entirely up to you how much you want to add it. Also, it depends on whether you want your livers spicy, you know. So yeah, that's why let me just shake this. That's why I'm adding the peri peri sauce and then also the tomato sauce. That was a lot. That was a lot. Let me scoop it out. Hi guys, that was funny. Okay, I added too much tomato sauce. Yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, so after adding your sauces, you're just gonna stir and then you're gonna let your chicken livers simmer for about 5 minutes or so on low heat. So when you let it simmer, just let it simmer for about 5 minutes and then you should be done, guys. Like, you should be done after that. Yo, they look so delicious and yo, can't wait to taste them. Okay, I think they need a bit more hotness or some more spiciness, so I'm adding some more of the Nando sauce. Yeah, that's enough. Ooh, delicious. Let me show you guys. Okay, besties, so this is our final meal. This is not meal, well, is it a meal? Okay, whatever. This is how our chicken livers look like, and if you do try this at home, please do let me know on the comment section below. Let me know how it tasted, or you can even text me on my social media, on my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and also remember to follow me on those social media platforms as well. But yeah, this is basically how our spicy chicken livers look like, and I hope that you really enjoyed this video, and I'll be catching you besties on the next video. Bye.